Good morning, my dear students. So, students, in previous lecture, we have done with a recapitulation of all the do topics. हमने पिछले लेक्चर में क्या किया? तो पिछले लेक्चर में जितने भी टॉपिक्स हमने डू पार्ट में कंप्लीट किए थे वो सब टॉपिक्स का हमने रिवीजन किया, हमने वो सब टॉपिक्स रिवाइज किया. तो वो सब डू पार्ट्स के टॉपिक्स थे. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. आज के लेक्चर में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? तो आज के लेक्चर में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? अभी आपकी एग्ज़ाम चालू है, येस और नो? आपकी एग्ज़ाम चालू है ना? यस, प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट चालू है. तो प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट के लिए जो ईवीएस का नोट्स में से जो आने वाला है, जो ईवीएस का नोट्स मैंने दिया है, वो नोट्स का आज हम खाली रिवीजन करने वाले. तो आज का लेक्चर ओनली वी विल डू रिवीजन. आज के लेक्चर में जितने भी ईवीएस के मैंने नोट्स आपको दिए थे वो नोट्स का हम रिवीजन करने वाले. वो ही नोट में से आपको आपके प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट में मैं पूछने वाली हूँ. तो अभी जो मैं नोट्स का रिवीजन करने वाली हूँ वो ही नोट में से मैं आपके जो प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट मंडे को है वो प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट में यही नोट से पूछने वाली हूँ. सो लेट अस रिकैप ऑल द नोट्स दैट वी हैव लर्न इन अ प्रीवियस लेक्चर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So the notes are as follow. Play parts notes, my daily routine, diet and cleanliness. ये जो 3 टॉपिक्स थे इसके ऊपर का नोट्स मैंने एक साथ दिया था, तो वो ही नोट में से मैं आपको एग्जाम के लिए कुछ भी पूछने वाली हूँ. सो नोट्स आर एज फॉलो. फर्स्ट वन इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. वी नीड डैश टू लिव एंड ग्रो. वी नीड डैश टू लिव एंड ग्रो. सो द आंसर इज फूड. FOOD, food. We need food to live and grow. Food gives us dash to work and play. Food gives us dash to work and play. Answer is energy. ENERGY, energy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Third one, dash surrounding help us to lead a good and healthy life. Dash surrounding help us to lead a good and healthy life. Answer is clean. CLEAN, clean. Clean surrounding help us to lead a good and healthy life. Fourth one, keeping classroom and school clean is very dash. Keeping classroom and school is very dash. Answer is good habit. GOOD, good HABIT, habit. Keeping classroom and school clean is very good habit. Fifth one, we brush our dash with help of toothpaste and brush. We brush our dash with help of toothpaste and brush. Answer is teeth. TEETH, teeth. We brush our teeth with help of toothpaste and brush. Then the next one is complete the following words. Sleeping, SLEEPING, sleeping. SLEEPING, sleeping. Second one is soap, SOAP, soap. SOAP, soap. Third one is vegetables, VEGETABLES, vegetables. Fruits. Fourth one is fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Fifth one is cleanliness, CLEANLINESS, cleanliness. Sixth one is surrounding, SURROUNDING, surrounding. Seventh one is classroom, CLASSROOM, classroom. Then next one is match the following. Match the following. First one is washing, so the answer is hand. Washing hand. Washing hand. Second one is brush. Answer is teeth. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. Third one is combing. Answer is hair. Combing hair. Combing hair. Fourth one is wear clean. Answer is clothes. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Fifth one is taking a. Answer is bath. Taking a bath. Taking a bath. Sixth one is playing. Answer is game. Playing games. Playing games. So this was match the following. So first one is B, second one is D, third one is F, fourth one is A, fifth one is C, sixth one is E. First option is B, second option is D, third option is F, fourth option is A, fifth option is C, and sixth option is E. Then is odd word out. First one is fish, milk, egg and meat. So the odd word is milk. You will circle the odd word milk. fish, milk, egg and meat. Odd word is milk. Second one, breakfast, dinner, eating and lunch. So the odd word is eating. Breakfast, dinner, eating and lunch. Odd word is eating. You will circle the odd word eating. Third one, ball, soap, towel, toothpaste. Ball, soap, towel and toothpaste. So the odd word is ball. You will circle the odd word ball. Fourth one is morning, evening, afternoon, day. Morning, evening, afternoon, day. So the odd word is day. You will circle the odd word day. Morning, evening, afternoon, day. Odd word is day. You will circle the odd word day. So this was odd word out. Then it is tick the correct good habits and cross to bad habits. First one, Geeta does not like going to school. It's a wrong. Geeta does not like going to school. It's a wrong. Pooja wash her hand before eating. It's a right. Pooja wash her hand before eating. It's a right. Sam does not oil and comb his hair. It's a wrong. Sam does not oil and comb his hair. It's a wrong. Anu brush her teeth daily. It's a right. Anu brush her teeth daily. It's a right. Raj go to sleep at 9 a.m. It's a right. Raj go to sleep at 9 a.m. It's a right. Then it is circle the correct word. First one, I eat with my mouth open, close. So the correct word is close. You will circle the correct word close. I eat with my mouth closed. I like to talk, be quiet when I eat. So the correct word is be quiet. So you will circle the word be quiet. I like to be quiet when I eat. Third one, I like to run, stand when I drink milk. So the correct word is stand. You will circle the correct word stand. I like to stand when I drink milk. Fourth one, I wash my legs, hands before eating. Correct word is hands. You will circle the correct word hands. I wash my hands before eating. Fifth one, I must drink a lot of water, cola. Correct word is water. You will circle the correct word water. I must drink a lot of water. Sixth one, I eat breakfast in morning, afternoon. Correct word is morning. You will circle the correct word morning. I eat breakfast in morning. Seventh one, after I come back from school in the evening, I have snacks, lunch. So the correct word is snacks. You will circle the correct word snacks. After I come back from school in the evening, I have snacks. So this was circle the correct word. Then it is name the following. Name the following. First one, write two fruits name. Apple and mango. A-P-P-L-E, apple, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Write two fruits names. So the two fruits names are apple and mango. Second one, write two vegetables name. Write two vegetables name. So the vegetables are carrot and brinjal. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot and brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Two vegetables name, that is carrot and brinjal. Things to clean teeth. Things to clean teeth are brush and toothpaste. B-R-U-S-H, brush, and T-O-O-T-H-P-A-S-T-E, toothpaste. Things to clean teeth are brush and toothpaste. Write two breakfast food name. Write two breakfast food name. Tea and chapatis. Tea and chapatis. T-E-A-T-C-H-A-P-A-T-I-S, chapatis. Write two breakfast food name, that is tea and chapati. Two name of things that you use daily. Two names of things that you use daily. So the answer is soap and towel. Soap and towel. Write two names of things that you use daily. So answer is soap and towel. S-O-A-P, soap. T-O-W-E-L, towel. That was name the following. Then it is answer in one sentence. Answer in one sentence. First one, which place we should keep clean? Which place we should keep clean? House, surrounding, classroom and school surrounding. So the answer is which place we should keep clean, that is house, surrounding, classroom, school and surrounding, school surrounding. Second one, what gives us energy? What gives us energy? Food. F-O-O-D, food. What gives us energy? Food gives us energy. Third one, When should we have lunch? When should we have lunch? That is afternoon. We should have lunch at afternoon. AFTERNOON, afternoon. Then what do we have at night? What do we have at night? So at night we have dinner. DINNER, dinner. So I am repeating, answer the following one more time. Which place we should keep clean? So house surrounding, classroom, school surrounding. HOUSE, house surrounding. SURROUNDING, classroom. CLASSROOM, school surrounding. SCHWL, school. SURROUNDING, surrounding. What gives us energy? Food. FOOD, food. When should we have lunch? That is afternoon. AFTERNOON, afternoon. Then what do we have at night? At night we have dinner. DINNER, dinner. Okay, then the last one is draw and color the object. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, आपको यहाँ पे नाम दिया जाएगा और वो नाम का आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करना है, वो नाम का सेम ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करना है और उसको कलर भी करना है. आपको क्या करना है, आपको जो नाम दिया है वो नाम का ड्राइंग और उसको कलर भी करना है. अगर आपने कलर नहीं किया तो मार्क्स कटने वाले हैं, तो आपको कलर भी करना है और ना वो ड्रॉ भी करना है. The first name is brush, BRUSH, brush. So you will draw the picture of brush and you will color it. तो यहाँ पे आपको ब्रश का पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है और फिर उसको कलर भी करना है, जैसे मैंने किया है. जस्ट हैव लुक ऑन दिस. ओके. सेकेंड वन, सोप. सोप यानी साबन. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ सोप एंड यू हैव टू कलर इट. तो यहाँ पे आपको साबन भी ड्रॉ करना है और उसको कलर भी करना है. सो जस्ट हैव लुक ऑन इट. थर्ड वन इज टूथपेस्ट. टूथपेस्ट यानी कोलगेट जो रहता है उसको हम कहते हैं. सो यहाँ पे आपको कोलगेट ड्रॉ करना है या टूथपेस्ट ड्रॉ करना है और उसको कलर भी करना है. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ टूथपेस्ट एंड यू हैव टू कलर इट. एंड द लास्ट वन इज मग. द लास्ट वन इज मग. सो यहाँ पे आपको मग ड्रॉ करना है और उसको कलर भी करना है. सो फर्स्ट ड्राइंग वॉज ब्रश, सेकेंड ड्राइंग वॉज सोप, थर्ड ड्राइंग वॉज टूथपेस्ट एंड फोर्थ ड्राइंग वॉज मग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, these all notes you will complete in your EVS notebook. अगर आपने कंप्लीट नहीं किया होगा, अगर आपने ये जो नोट्स कंप्लीट नहीं किया होगा तो आपको ये नोट्स फिर से कंप्लीट करना है. अगर आपने नहीं कंप्लीट किया होगा तो ही आपको कंप्लीट करना है. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी ये नोट्स कंप्लीट किया है तो आपको ये नोट्स लर्न करना है. आपको क्या करना है, ये नोट्स को पढ़ना है. जो मैंने EVS के नोटबुक में आपको लिख के दिया है, ये सब नोट्स पहले दिया था, यस और नो, तो वो आपको नोट्स लर्न करना है. क्योंकि अभी जो प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट फर्स्ट है उसमें मैं यही नोट्स से पूछने वाली हूँ. तो आपको ये नोट्स लर्न करना है और इसके साथ आपको आपकी EVS की कंबाइन बुक भी पढ़नी है. तो आपको ये नोट्स भी पढ़ने हैं और जो EVS की कंबाइन बुक है उसमें से भी ये जो 3 टॉपिक्स है वो पढ़ना है. तो ये आपको आपकी एग्ज़ाम जो प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट फर्स्ट आने वाली है उसके लिए ये आपको पढ़ना है. इसमें से ही मैं पूछने वाली हूँ. सो यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल दिस नोट्स फ्रॉम योर EVS notebook also and from your EVS combined book also. And if you have not completed it, you will complete and you will send it to me. So students, I hope you have understood today's lecture. So students, thank you.